farmer buddy of ours called and said he had got a few hogs in his trap. We got the smaller ones, the sows. I think we got 5. They ought to weigh probably 60 pounds a piece, maybe.
Yeah,
we're gonna butcher them up. Pigs are not wide enough to meet the stomps, but after we take the hide off, they'll spread out, make it easier. We're gonna come down through here with a hook knife, make a strip all the way down this ridge, a couple in the middle, down that ridge, right here, come around the tail, make some strips. That'll be real easy to get everything loose. Just like that. And that hide will come off real easy with strips. All the way down as far as you can go. I'll leave that one wide. Now we just need to make sure all of our strips are done. Come right up in here. This part right here is kind of hard to get, so I'll strip it all the way going forwards, and then we'll cut around this tail with a knife. Just gotta get her started. Put a little tension on it and it comes loose easier. That piece right there. All right, we got the catfish pliers. We're just gonna grab a hold and strip that off of there. It works real good with little hogs, but the bigger ones, pretty tough still. You can make smaller strips if you need to. Sometimes you get a little meat trying to come with it. Just peel it back a little bit. Once you get that meat to separate, then it comes right off of there. All right, that's good. We're trying to get these shoulders off. They come off pretty easy. It helps if you got somebody to hold on to it, but I think we can do it with just me. They're a floating joint, so they just cut right off. So this next part, this one was a little boar, but he's small and he'll have a good flavor. So we're just gonna cut this off. We already spread it apart. And that's why I was talking about it helps to spread them apart. All right, so what I like to do is get in here just a little bit without touching the guts. Make sure we don't have any turds or urine. It's all right there. And we're gonna cut here and here with the Sawzall. And all that rear end will pull out together. And you got a little tissue back here. Let's turn around. Right there. And we'll just trim that. All right, let's flip her back. And we're trying not to get a bunch of mess all over us. There we go. And then we're gonna tuck all that back in there. We're gonna keep it clean as possible. On these little ones, there's not much tenderloin inside there. Little bitty things. So we're just gonna give it a cut. We're gonna come right here, take our back straps off. I go ahead and do both sides. I'm going to cut right here. And we're just following the contour of all those bones. Filleting that off. And when we get it to a certain point, it'll just pull out of there. Get your fingers worked in, top and bottom. Same for over here. I like to come at it from the top. Those ribs tend to dull your knife, so you keep a steel close. Just reach down in there and lay that off. There's not much on the neck of these. Next thing we're going to do is whoop that off with the sawzall. Just kind of steady it. And we're going to split it right here in the middle. That's it. 2 little hams, maybe 5 pounds a piece. A little bitty back straps, and we got 2 shoulders.